Yeah.
Everybody, this is the guy I was telling you about that works on my saws, and he's damn good at working on saws too. He's got a couple of these big ones here today to try out on these big stumps that I had to leave for the time being. And I figured, well, if he wants to work his saws on them, that'll be what we need for quicker removal. So I'm over here working on these stumps. Now this was a shotgun barrel ash stump that's laying here, and he's going to take this one apart, getting close to the ground but not hitting the ground because he doesn't want to dull his chain, and I don't blame him there. And this one was an ash also right here, so he'll have some good firewood for his family get-togethers on weekends when they watch movies and stuff. Now I'm going to take you back and put you on a bigger tripod over here where I can show you that I'll be cutting over here while there's cutting over in this area, and show you kind of what I'm going to be doing here real quick first, folks. I think this is an ash tree just by the number of bore holes that are in it. So I'm going to cut it up and make sure, but I'm sure it's good wood anyhow. It's good dry wood. And like always, I start out at the ends and move in, you know that. Once I get this one out of the way, then I'll be able to drive down in through on this side and pick up all this dead and down wood in here and back right up to it and make a good deal out of it. I'll have enough wood for me and the wife and even Roger and his family to stay warm for a long time. Any of you that think my saws were loud, you ought to listen to his roar. But like I said, he's a good man with the saw and he knows how to fix them. Okay folks, I'll get you set up over here so you can watch me cut for a little bit now. We'll hear Roger's saw roaring over there again pretty quick. And I think what I'll do is set you probably right about here. That ought to be pretty good. Okay. Well, get my saw gas and oil here and then we'll start cutting. Okay, there we go. I always try to get the bar oil in first. Run out of gas if you don't want to run out of bar oil. told you folks, I figured he'd be done before I ever got started good. We got faster saws, bigger ones. Okay folks, I think that's just about going to wrap up this morning here. I'm going to just start piling limbs. I'm going to pile them up at the end of that other tree over there so I can just drop those onto the pile. And it's been a good morning. We got a whole tree down here. Roger's got his stumps and a couple of trees down that needed to get out of the way, and it's looking pretty good. So the next time I come down, I'll probably start right here on these 3 trees that are down here, and we'll just keep working our way down. There's an awful lot of wood here, and these folks are kind enough to let me come in and cut it. So y'all have a good day now. And again, this is Tom. You guys have a good day out there. For all you folks that are coming back, welcome back. For all you folks that are new here, I want to welcome you aboard. This is Tom out.